If your car ever catches fire, you don't get a second chance to go back and buy the right extinguisher. Most people either don't have one or they bought the cheapest option that won't actually handle a real emergency. And that's how small problems turn into total losses. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 portable car fire extinguishers so you can choose the right one for your vehicle and be ready when it actually matters. Quick before we get into it, if you want real-world automotive gear reviews that help you stay safe and avoid costly mistakes, hit that subscribe button. I've linked the best current deals in the description, and if you're not sure which extinguisher fits your car or your use case, drop a comment, I'll help you choose. Starting at number 5, the Amerex B417T 2.5 pounds ABC Dry Chemical Fire Extinguisher. This is a compact, vehicle-friendly unit built with a durable steel cylinder and filled with ABC-rated dry chemical powder, meaning it can handle common fires like combustibles, flammable liquids, and electrical components. It includes a metal valve assembly for reliability, a pressure gauge for quick status checks, and typically comes with a mounting bracket for secure installation in your car or truck. In real-world use, this is a solid entry-level extinguisher that gives you real fire suppression capability in a compact size. I've worked around Amerex units before, and they're known for consistent performance and durability. Here's what most people don't realize: having an ABC-rated extinguisher is critical in a vehicle because you're dealing with fuel, wiring, and interior materials all at once. It's ideal for daily drivers who want basic protection without taking up too much space. The only downside is the smaller capacity, which limits how long you can discharge, but for quick response, it's effective. Now, if you want something specifically designed with vehicle use in mind, the next option brings more targeted features. At number 4, the First Alert AUTOMAR10FE10GR Fire Extinguisher. This unit is designed for automotive and marine environments, featuring a compact build, corrosion-resistant construction, and a mounting bracket for easy installation. It's also rated for ABC fires, with a push-button operation system that's simple and intuitive to use under pressure. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle, even in tight spaces. In real-world situations, this is one of those extinguishers that's built for convenience and accessibility. I've seen setups where these are mounted under seats or in trunks, and they're easy to grab when seconds matter. This is what most people overlook. If you can't access it quickly, it's useless. It's perfect for everyday drivers who want something purpose-built for their vehicle. The only drawback is that it's still a smaller unit, so it's best for early-stage fires rather than larger ones. Now, if you want more firefighting capacity and longer discharge time, the next option steps it up significantly. At number 3, the Amerex B425 pounds ABC Dry Chemical Fire Extinguisher. This is a larger, heavy-duty unit with a 5-pound capacity, offering longer discharge time and greater coverage. Like the smaller Amerex, it features a steel cylinder, metal valve, and a pressure gauge, but the increased size means more fire suppression power. It's still rated for ABC fires, making it versatile for automotive use. In real-world use, this is where you start getting serious protection. I've worked in environments where larger extinguishers like this are standard, and the difference in discharge time is huge. Here's where this really stands out: more capacity means more control in an emergency. It's ideal for trucks, SUVs, or anyone who wants extra peace of mind. The only downside is that it's bulkier and requires more space to mount, but that's the trade-off for increased capability. Now, if you're looking for something that bridges the gap between vehicle and workshop use, the next option brings versatility. At number 2, the GARAGE10FE10GO Garage Workshop Fire Extinguisher. This unit is designed for broader use, covering both automotive and garage environments, with a strong focus on reliability and coverage. It typically features ABC fire ratings, durable construction, and a design that supports longer discharge times compared to smaller units. It's built to handle a wider range of fire scenarios, from engine fires to workshop hazards. In real-world use, this is a great option if you want one extinguisher that covers multiple situations. I've seen setups where these are kept in trucks or garages for quick access, and they provide a good balance between size and performance. This is what most people don't realize: having coverage beyond just your car can make a big difference. It's perfect for enthusiasts, mechanics, or anyone working around vehicles regularly. The only drawback is that it's less compact for in-car storage, but the added capability makes it worthwhile. And finally, at number 1, the First Alert AS Fire Spray AF402. This is a completely different approach compared to traditional extinguishers. Instead of a pressurized cylinder, it uses a spray can design that delivers a steady stream of fire suppressant. It's lightweight, easy to use, and requires no pressure gauge or maintenance checks. The spray duration is often longer than small extinguishers, giving you more time to control a fire. In real-world use, this is one of the easiest and most accessible fire safety tools you can have in your car. I've used fire sprays like this in controlled situations, and the simplicity makes a huge difference. Just point and spray, no complicated operation. Here's the key: ease of use matters when you're under stress. It's perfect for everyday drivers who want a simple, reliable solution. The only downside is that it's not as powerful as larger extinguishers for big fires, but for quick response, it's incredibly effective. So here's the bottom line. If you want a compact, reliable option, the Amerex B417T is a great starting point. The first alert AUTOMAR10 is built specifically for vehicle use and easy access. The Amerex B402 gives you serious firefighting capacity. The GARAGE10 offers versatility for both car and garage use. And the first alert as fire spray takes the top spot for simplicity, accessibility, and everyday practicality. At the end of the day, a fire extinguisher is one of those things you hope you never use, but when you need it, nothing else matters. Having the right one in your car can mean the difference between a quick fix and a total loss. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe for more real-world automotive safety gear reviews. Check the description for the latest deals and drop your vehicle or setup in the comments. I'll help you choose the best option for your situation.